TR here. This video is about the discussion assignment, Activism and Volunteering. The purpose of this assignment is to increase awareness of volunteer opportunities within our community. How do we do this? Well, looking at the instructions, we talk about a link to propelus.org to get more information about opportunities for you to volunteer. On the second and third points, we talk about infographics and how you can use this for your assignment. Key points. What are the goals? What types of activities would a volunteer perform? What are the time commitments? What is required to be a volunteer? And why would you volunteer with that organization? And you're considering the beliefs and values associated with that. Again, as with this assignment and all assignments, separate your answers. Use the bolded criteria as titles. Do not clump all your answers into one paragraph. When you're done, you will submit this to the discussion assignments. So you will click on the discussions link in the menu and you will go to volunteering, activism and volunteering. How will I mark it? Understanding. Have you describe the organization's name, their goals, activities, and requirements with substantial detail. Thinking. Have you analyzed the beliefs and values associated with the organization in substantial detail? The more detail you provide, the better mark you get. And communication. Have you communicated in a highly effective and error-free manner? There are some students that would benefit from having a peer or an adult review your work. A great idea. When you're done, again, you go to your discussions and you look for the activism and volunteering and you create a thread for me and your peers to see. Any questions or concerns, please feel free to use your private discussions. Have a great day. Bye now.